Have you ever noticed how AI sometimes gives unfair results, favors certain groups, or makes strange mistakes? This happens because of AI bias, a problem where AI learns incorrect patterns from the data it's trained on. But what exactly causes AI bias and how does it impact real life? Let's break it down. AI bias happens when an AI system makes unfair or inaccurate decisions due to biased training data. Since AI learns from past data, any existing gaps, mistakes, or human prejudices in that data can influence how the AI behaves. Instead of being natural, the AI unknowingly picks up on these biases and reinforces them in its predictions. Imagine an AI used for job hiring. If the training data mostly includes successful male candidates, the AI might unfairly favor men over equally qualified women. Similarly, if a facial recognition system is trained mostly on lighter skinned faces, it may struggle to correctly identify darker skinned individuals, leading to misidentifications and unfair outcomes. AI bias can be found in healthcare, finance, law enforcement, and social media, affecting decisions like loan approvals, medical diagnosis, and criminal risk assessments. That's why diverse, high quality data is essential to reduce bias and ensure fair AI systems. While AI can improve decision making, it's only as fair as the data it learns from. The challenge is making AI smarter without reinforcing human prejudices. Now, think about this. Have you ever noticed AI giving strange or unfair results? That's AI bias at work. Tell me in the comments, how do you think we can make AI more fair?